What if I told you that a simple glass, just 1 cup a day, could help your heart function better, support the health of your arteries, and improve your circulation? All with ingredients you probably already have at home? Yes, it exists, and you can start tomorrow morning. Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's happening in your body, why this natural blend is so effective, and how to easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe for more health advice, like if your well-being is a priority, and share. This video features someone who wants to take care of their heart. Part 1. The problem. Why our arteries get blocked. Now that we've started, let's talk about something that many people are unaware of. Your arteries don't become blocked overnight. It's not a sudden event. It's a slow, silent process, sometimes lasting several years. And that's precisely what makes it dangerous. The real enemy? L'inflammation, oxidized cholesterol, chronic stress, poor diet, lack of sleep. All these factors accumulate and eventually harden and thicken the walls of your arteries. And the worst part is that most people only realize it when the symptoms appear. Fatigue, shortness of breath, chest pain, high blood pressure. But by then, the damage is already done. That's why it's essential to take preventative action, to give your body what it needs, to maintain flexible, clean arteries and free-flowing blood. By the way, tell me in the comments, did you know that inflammation plays a key role in the health of your arteries? Yes or no? I read all your answers. And stay right here, because in a moment, I'm going to show you exactly how a simple daily drink can support your heart in a natural and scientifically credible way. You only need a few ingredients. Part 2. The solution. The daily drink that supports the health of your arteries. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. The daily drink that can help your body better manage inflammation, support the health of your arteries, and improve your circulation. And what's great is that it's simple, natural, quick to prepare, and above all, accessible to everyone. So, what is it? A mix of citron, ginger, lukewarm water, and optionally, a small pinch of curcuma. It's not magic. It's not a miracle cure. But this combination contains nutrients and active compounds known for their benefits to cardiovascular health. And when taken regularly, they can really make a difference. 1 lemon, your antioxidant ally. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that helps protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. When your arteries are exposed to stress, they become stiffer, more susceptible to inflammation. And that's when the problems begin. Lemon helps to reduce this pressure and to keep the vascular walls in better shape. Practical tip. Press half a lemon in a cup of lukewarm water. Not boiling, otherwise you lose some of the vitamins. 2. Ginger, the anti-inflammation champion. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Research shows that ginger can help reduce certain factors linked to chronic inflammation, which is important for keeping arteries flexible and functional. And as a bonus, it aids digestion and helps stabilize energy levels in the morning. Tell me in the comments, do you prefer fresh or powdered ginger? I look forward to seeing your answers. 3. Turmeric. Optional. The extra bit of power. Turmeric, thanks to curcumin, is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories. A simple pinch in your drink can enhance its protective effect on cells and improve overall well-being. Important. Add a pinch of black pepper to increase absorption. Just a pinch. no more. 4. Warm water. To gently activate your system. Warm water helps your body start the day without thermal shock, promotes hydration, and improves the absorption of the nutrients you will consume. How to prepare the drink? Quick and easy. Heat 1 cup of water, warm, not boiling. Add 1/2 citron press. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of grated fresh ginger or 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger. Option: 1 pinch of turmeric plus black pepper. Mix and drink in the morning on an empty stomach. Try to do it during 30 days and observe the changes in your energy, your digestion, and your overall feeling of lightness. Part 3. The story. Carlos's change. Now let me tell you a story that really touched me. This is about Carlos, a family friend, 58 years old, office job, constant stress, and like many, eating habits, let's say, not always ideal. For years he felt tired, heavy, and breathless as soon as he climbed a few steps. His doctor had told him, "Be careful, your blood pressure is rising. Your inflammation is too. We need to act before it becomes serious." And like many, he knew he had to change. But where to start? One day he called me and said, "I need a simple habit, nothing impossible, just one thing I can do every morning." I told him about the drink whose benefits I just explained to you. Nothing magical, not an instant solution, just a simple natural routine that he could incorporate without getting discouraged. So he tried. And the most incredible thing is not what happened after a day or two, more after 8 weeks. He told me, "I feel lighter. I have less of that pressure in my chest. And I'm less out of breath. Even my colleagues have asked me what I've changed." Of course, he had also made other efforts. Walking every day, reducing ultra-processed foods. But this drink had become his ritual, his starting point, his trigger. And the best part? His doctor noted an improvement in his inflammation markers and blood pressure. Once again, no miracle, but proof that small repeated actions can transform your health. By the way, tell me in the comments, do you already have a morning routine that makes you feel good? I'm curious to read your work. So, what should we take away from all this? You can't unclog your arteries overnight with a drink. Nobody can. But you can support your heart, reduce inflammation, improve your circulation, and strengthen your arteries through simple, repeated, and intelligent habits. And this drink, lemon, ginger, warm water, and a little turmeric, can become exactly this. A daily ritual that puts your body in the best possible condition every morning. Combine it with a more natural diet, some physical activity, less stress, and good sleep. And yes, that's where your health can change profoundly. If this video helped you, subscribe for more science-based health advice. Like the video is to support the channel, and above all, share it with someone who wants to take care of their heart. And now, tell me in the comments, if you had to choose just one healthy habit to adopt this month, what would it be? I'm really looking forward to discovering your answers. Take care of yourself, take care of your heart, and never forget, small actions can change big things.